to the dirt.
Well, you're just going to go help them though, right?
I'll pull him back this way. Yeah, we'll be right back.
All right, I trust you guys.
All right, I hope so. Scout's honor.
Okay.
I'm in two-wheel drive right now. You want to tow back? Yeah, is there a hitch on it?
Ozzy's like, let's go. Through dirt.
Alright, we'll take a look real quick. We might have a hook though.
Go treads! Do it! Ozzy, you were supposed to jump out of the car.
Start backing up.
You gotta try to work. Rob and Andrew saved the day. You guys saved the day. You got everyone cheering. That's hilarious. Oh, she's gonna yell at him. Oh, she's gonna be bitching at him. Like,
Good.
Yes. Gives me some four-wheel drive trucks that get stuck here now. Guarantee you.
she's pissed there.
Roadlesstravel.com. Yeah.
Nice. I don't think you heard what he said.
No, that's right. Anytime, anytime.